Python loops. A loop is really basic. It loops. You can write code or whatever you want, and that code will execute a specified number of times or when a condition is met. There are two loops, which I will explain with a light amount of parody of the game Doors on Roblox. For loops. For loops are written as for variable in range. For loops will only execute a specific number of times. For my example, we'll use the first seek chase.
Seek, I choose you. Go sell our meth.
But to begin a loop, we need to declare a loop variable. Loop variables commonly start with I, or some other variant of I. Why? I don't know. This variable is used to keep track of how many times the loop has executed, or how many doors we ran through. The second part is how many times the loop should run, or in my example, how many rooms the seek chase should last. The first chase always has 5 rooms, so we should put a 5 in the range parentheses. The loop will now run 5 times, or 5 rooms until it ends. While loops. While loops are written as while, with a condition afterwards. While loops will run forever until that condition is no longer met. In this example, a while loop is like being at door 50 or in the library. While you are in the library, the figure will roam around following its AI. The figure will do this forever until you manage to escape. Loop keywords. There are some keywords you should know: continue and break. Continue skips the rest of the code in the loop and starts from the top of the loop, or you can think of it as it beginning the next iteration of the loop. Continue can be seen like glitch, although he's much rarer now. If room generation bugs out, he will teleport you to a new room, so you can continue without being soft locked. Break. Break breaks the loop. After a break, the loop completely exits. No loop code will execute after it, and your code will continue executing after the loop. You can think of this like dying in the seek chase, and using a revive to skip the rest of it. Alright, that's the very basics. This is my first video after 3 months. Now I feel obligated to make more code tutorials like this.